One of the Gaza nation, the church a call for vybz cartel baptism. One said to me, the first me ever hear that still, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So out of all of the cities to them in Jamaica, it's just vybz cartel baptism alone the church one. Well, nothing wrong with nobody go to the church and praise the Almighty, you know. But vybz cartel is a man who say him not really to deal with religion. A life him deal with. You see what I say? And the general did make that loud and clear on stage. It wasn't no lollipop thing, nor no form of gimmicks thing. But here what I go on now. vybz cartel already baptized to dancehall. At 20 years now, 2 decades in the business, and him never backslide yet. Him always a represent to the fullest each and every time since the 2 decades. That's what I say. Say you know no backsliding business no there in that. You see me? No form of gimmicks business. Hear me now, no man. Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on. Carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Oh, no, know it go already. When I come for represent, full effecting one. You don't know it go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. The people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza Nation. This come like a big joke or some form of mockery. I don't know if I saw them people who even call themselves Christian and so now ramp rough with God business, my brother. Because you not hear nothing like that come out of the world boss mouth. But yet still the star and all kind of radio person are going to highlight that. Yo, what kind of gimmicks business you know depend and what kind of lollipop thing you know depend? You see what I deal with? I mean like if as we are recruit Christian soldier, but I not say you go by that, my brother. You can't force down them thing depend nobody. I don't know vybz cartel is a man well popular. So remember the last time, you know, when Ninja Man around the ground like that, you know. Remember, you know, when you force him into Christianity, the brother Desmond business there, then you have all kind of convention and all kind of people fly down and keep all kind of show and crazy money make, and him still backslide out of that. You see what I say? Nobody come with a lollipop thing, you know what I mean? You see what I say? For praise the Almighty, that's always good. You see what I say? You don't have no form of wrong bang in that. But that way, you know do wrong. You don't hear that from the man and you come out. I don't know who you want to win, what kind of point you want to prove, where's there, what's there for an advanced span. I don't know, but I just know say, you don't just do that so. You don't do that for gain some shit and I don't know what it is, you know what I mean? Because that's very ridiculous to me. You understand what I say? Yeah. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. Nobody no ramp with God like that, my brother. You see what I say? Unless you're evil people. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Everybody know vybz cartel baptized to dancehall. No joke shit not dead about it. The material evidence they have to prove it. 2 decades now in the business. Never take a day off, nor a time off, nor a vacation. All the time the brother they behind the bars. No joke shit no dead about it. Check the record, no man. I say all when the brother there behind the bars. Never yet take a vacation, never take a sick day, nor a time off, nor absent with nor leave of absent, nor nothing like that, my brother. You see what I say? So I don't know who I deal with. I don't know what kind of gimmicks thing I deal with. See all all quarantine go on and the certain type of virus come round. And the brother still never yet take a sick day off of the dancehall. The brother never even take a sick day for go talk about getting a vaccine business. So I don't know how you talk about them shit there. I already see say the man married to dancehall and the man baptized to dancehall. You know see that the man no make you know that man say dancehall I'm everything. And not me say so, the man says so man. Come like you not listen to the brother and when the brother talk, I don't know if something wrong with him. The brother said dancehall I'm everything people. Come on man. What's wrong with these people? Stop call up the man name in some farm a lollipop thing. I don't know what kind of bangarang you know want get the man in. I don't know what is there for no win. All I want to know say you start up some controversial thing and some controversy thing. I don't know what kind of look you want pan the brother. I don't know what you want to the brother. None of you never all you talk about well then. You call him out for baptism and them shit. None of you never call out the justice system for all the man them carry the man go to prison without no evidence and all kind of rigmarole in the man case and all of them shit there. And none of you, not even the church people them rebel about that, my virgin, about true justice, my virgin, because the people them not have no at all upon the brother and lock up the brother. No, you come out and not talk about you call out for baptism. What kind of stupid and idiot fool thing that me here now go on with? Eh? You can't load the brother right now, my friend. Load the man, make the man have some form of peace of mind, my virgin. Leave the man right about now, my virgin. You know what I mean? Everything that's come up are the world boss. What? The country can't run without the man. Therefore, you know all of them shit, they own stay one side and make them prison the man. If you don't know this brother is so influential and this brother is such a good person for have in your country for lead youth in a certain type of manner. If you don't know that as the bigger edge, you not set up this brother and set up this brother here properly and nurture the thing, you know what I mean, and make sure you put proper people around him and them shit there. That means the type of work we not talk about can go on. Eh? Oh, no, not meet with the brother and talk some reason, some positive idea and some positive infrastructure where you can set up for youth, trade school, all of them shit and them thing there, you know what I mean? Because you can't lose off a trade. You see what I deal with? Or you set some type of structure there on the brother and use the brother influence for getting the youth them. You know what I mean? That means all of this gun business can cut out and all of this innocent murder and them shit they can get for cut out because youth are work and eat good food because him have a skill or PM. You know what I mean? You don't set up nothing like that for the man use him influence and do. So I don't know how you come and chat on look a lollipop thing and some look at either media outlet run and go on because all them are run down have views and so I say them do anything for money and none of them not care about the youth them, my brother. How much youth police drive down what area and you hear say bees go on and people are say, well then, a lie. No bees, no knock off. Eh? We don't care about the youth them. We don't act like we don't care about the youth them. We don't care about the youth them. We don't care about the youth them, my brother. So I don't know how now come call up vybz kartel name and I don't look a lollipop mouth, I don't look a lollipop business, my virgin. I don't go like say I don't respect the Almighty. What kind of gimmicks business and lollipop thing when I deal with? Gaza not deal with them type of gimmicks business, you know. Understand what I do, you know, understand yourself, you know. It look like you don't ever grew up yet, you know. You don't ever know what for use and run joke, you know. Everything you want to make money off, you know. A clickbait una deal with, views una hunt, una have no type of topic for put out for make no farmer money. Una have to call up the general name. Out of all the cities in Jamaica, only him alone worthy enough. Too fucking ridiculous, man. But anyway, Gaza Nation, you know what go on. Say Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Watch me. A 10-star. The general. The people's champion. What?